Starting April 1st, 2026, the Income Tax Department will have the legal authority to access your social media accounts, emails, bank and trading accounts and any other digital spaces if they suspect tax evasion or any undisclosed income on which you haven't paid applicable income tax. Under Section 132 of the existing Income Tax Act, officials can search and seize assets if they suspect undisclosed income. Under the current laws, officials can break open the lock of any door, box or locker in case their keys are unavailable and if they have a reason to suspect that any undisclosed assets or books of accounts are being kept there. However, the new Income Tax Bill 2025 extends this to virtual digital spaces as well, allowing officers to override access codes to gain entry into emails and social media accounts, online banking and trading accounts, cloud and remote servers, digital platforms storing asset details, digital application platforms, or any other space of the similar nature. Who can authorize such access? Clause 247 of this bill notes that authorized officers can gain access to undisclosed income, documents or property by overriding the access code to any said computer system or virtual digital space where the access code thereof is not available. Now, who are these authorized officers? As defined under the bill, the term an authorized officer means the joint director or the additional director, the joint commissioner or the additional commissioner, the assistant director or the deputy director, the assistant commissioner or the deputy commissioner, or the income tax officer or the tax recovery officer. Now coming to privacy and legal concerns, Sonam Chandwani, managing partner at KS Legal, warns that the broad and vague definition of virtual digital space in the new income tax bill allows unrestricted surveillance of financial and private digital data. Without judicial oversight or safeguards, it risks becoming a tool for arbitrary scrutiny rather than structured tax enforcement. Saswati Soumya Sahu, expert counsel on data protection and AI at ANB Legal, warns that the new income tax bill expand search powers into digital spaces, posing a privacy risk if not bound by due process. She highlights concerns over using social media data which may have no direct link to financial assessments. S.R. Patnaik, partner, head taxation, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas notes that such a search and seizure can only be practical as an exception and not as a rule, given that an individual has a reasonable expectation of privacy when the virtual digital space is concerned. Can tax authorities access company data? According to Patnaik, the broad scope of the new Income Tax Bill 2025 could extend search powers to company data where a taxpayer is or was employed. The bill allows access to email servers, social media, bank and trading accounts, and cloud storage by overriding access codes. While aimed at tackling tax evasion, this raises privacy concerns as the Supreme Court upholds data protection as a fundamental right. The lack of clear guidelines or safeguards increases the risk of legal challenges over intrusions into personal and corporate digital spaces. Well, that's all for today. Stay tuned to ET for more.